Hello friends, my name is Mahesh and welcome to my channel Mahi the Techie. So today we are going to talk about a smartwatch which is specially designed for the kids. Yes, you got it right, only for the kids. So the smartwatch has been manufactured by Vodafone and Disney in collaboration. It will be hitting the market soon. So let's check out the specifications, price range, build quality and other things about this smartwatch, whether it will be a value for money for you to buy or not. But if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, like, comment and share my video as well. So let's check out the specifications. So if we talk about the design, and the shape is circular shape, but it's not a pure circular, it has some curves as well. And apart from that, you will be able to see the Baby Yoda, Minnie Mouse, Darth Vader and Iron Man also. And apart from that, if we talk about the technology, it will have a 5 megapixel camera, activity tracker, then you have a calling support, so you can dial the number and receive the call as well, chat and video messaging support as well. So the 5 megapixel camera will help you do the video callings and then you can chat as well. And the most important thing is, since all the features are there, so as part of the security thing, a parent can keep track of everything that is installed and goes on with the watch through the Vodafone Smart app installed on his or her phone. This includes assigning trusted contacts, so you will be able to assign the contacts who will be the only contacts able to interact with the watch owner. So that means your kid cannot talk to each and everyone, to the unknown people, so you can have a tab on it. And the screen time can also be managed as well as to track the device's location. So I think a built-in GPS will also be there so that you can track the location, or with the help of Vodafone card you can track the location. And screen time also you can manage so that kids will never misuse it or cannot use it for long time. And on this watch you will have a calendar where parents can set events and reminders, so weather information is also included here. So it's a very good feature. If I would say, your kids will be able to remind like what is the main or any important event is coming in future, so that is a very helpful tool in this watch. Apart from that, kid can set their own sidekick from the varied cast of characters to guide them through watch features, while new characters and experience will be available to add at a later date for no extra charge. Battery life is claimed to last up to 2 days in standby, a whole day with reasonable use. It runs on a Qualcomm 2500W processor with 512 MB of storage for photos mainly, and the screen uses a 390 x 390 pixel AMOLED display. It has a 4G connection built in as well. So company has done very good in terms of display, in terms of features, in terms of security. So I would say this is a complete watch. The Vodafone new Smart Kids watch will be available in mint or ocean blue colors from early 2021. It will first release in Germany, Italy, Spain and the UK, where it will be priced at £99 upfront on a £7 per month plan for over 24 months, or you can say £12 per month over 12 months. Parents do not need to be Vodafone mobile customers to run the smart app with the watch. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more smartwatch related videos on my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. This is your host Mahesh signing off today. Bye bye.